In this session, let us understand the meaning and definition of vouching. Let's say you are an auditor and going for an audit. Client has produced books of accounts. Now you have to check. You have to check the authenticity of entries, accuracy of entries in the books of accounts. In order to do that, what you have to do? You have to call for supporting documentary evidences and examine them. So, when you call for documentary evidence and examine them, we call it as vouching. Please note, vouching is a process of examining documentary evidence to ascertain the accuracy and authenticity of entries in the books of accounts. Now, what do we mean by evidence here? See, we know books of accounts basically represents various financial transactions that have taken place during an accounting period. For each and every financial transaction, there will be some evidences supporting that transaction. It can be in the form like invoices, statements, receipts, and so on. Okay. So for each and every transaction, there should be supporting evidences, and as an auditor, you have to ensure that for each and every transaction, original evidences are available and they should be real, accurate, and valid in nature. It is only from these evidences transactions are posted in the books of accounts. So it is these evidences which actually reveals the nature of transaction. Okay, so we can say vouching is the very essence of audit, and it is going to help the auditor in establishing the truth of entries that are appearing in books of accounts. Okay, right. Let us also look into the definition of vouching given by J.R. Batley. He says, vouching means testing the truth of the terms appearing in books of original entry.